Hi, my name is Lisa. I call Kamloops, British Columbia, Canada home. The island caretaker job fits me perfectly. I'm adventurous, outgoing, articulate, and technology savvy. I've traveled extensively across Europe and South and Central America. I love the beach. I love the outdoors as well. I put myself through university lifeguarding and teaching swimming lessons. I have worked in the recreation industry on all levels, from leader to programmer to manager. Currently, my husband and I are founders and operators of a gourmet food business called Fresh is Best. We manufacture fresh chips and dips. I think what makes me perfect for the island caretaker job is I come with baggage. This is my baggage, my family. Colin, my husband, Cade, my 11-year-old son, and Maisie, my 3-year-old daughter. Every day is an adventure in our lives. What you need is someone who can deliver the ambiance of the islands to the world. Our range of ages and interests will leave no stone unturned as we explore your amazing islands. We would love to take our adventures to Australia and show the world the beauty and magic of the islands of the Great Barrier